Hello everyone, welcome to Gpat Farms Study Circle channel. Today I will discuss about more important in pharmacognostical drugs and pharmacognosy. Okay, this is helpful in all pharmacy competitive exams. It's a very like Gpat and NIPER and RRB pharmacist. It's a very helpful in pharmacognosy. So let's start the today's section pharmacognostical drugs. Okay. First one, amla. What is the common name of amla? So amla plant, which botanical family in amla? Embolic officinales, and family is Epohoraceae. So how to come to use in main constituents? Fruit and vitamin C. So what purpose use in amla in medical uses, medicinal uses? Vitamin C, citrizin and cough and diabetes and cold and laxative and hyperacidity. So this is the amla. Next one. So pharmacognostical drug in Ashoka. Ashoka. What's the botanical family in Ashoka? Saraka, Ashoka, and which family relate to Ashoka? Case Lapinicia. So what pots used main constituents in Ashoka? Bark and flower and epicatechin. So what uses of the medicinal uses in Ashoka? Menstrual pain and uterine and disorders and diabetes. So this is called as the Ashoka. Next one, Ashwagandha. So what is the botanical family in Ashwagandha? So family is a Solanaceae. So the Ashwagandha is the other name botanical in Withinia somnifera. So what pots involved in constituents in Ashwagandha? Root, leaf, alkaloids and vithnolides. So what purpose in medicinal use in Ashwagandha? Restorative, tonic and nerve disorders. Okay, this is called Ashwagandha. Next one, bile and bilivy. Bile and bilivy. What's the botanical family in bile and bilivy? Family is a Rutaceae. So the other name of and botanical in bile and bilivy and Azealia and Marmeruleus. Okay. So the what pots involved in bile and bilivy? Fruit, bark and marmelosin. Okay. So the what uses of a medicinal uses in bile and bilivy? Diarrhea and constipation. So this is called as the bile and bilivy. Next one, next plant is Bum in amla. Bum in amla. So other name is Althanos amros. Which family in botanical family is Bum in amla? Eporaceae. So what pots used in main constituents? Whole plant. So the whole plant in polyethylene. Whole plant is like root, stem, leaves, flowers, okay, and bark. So all whole plant in Bum in amla. So what purpose use in medicinal use in Bum in amla? Anemic jaundice and dropsy. Okay, this is called as Bum in amla. Next plant, Brahmi. So what is the other name of Brahmi? Bacopa and Moniri. So the what is the family involved in Brahmi? Epihorobiaceae. So the what part used in main constituents in Brahmi? Whole plant. So the whole plant is in bicosides. So whole plant is used in like bark and leaf and stem and root and flower and seed. So all are plant in constituents in Brahmi. What purpose of medicinal uses in Brahmi? CNS, nervous and memory enhancer and mental disorders. Okay, this is called as the Brahmi. Okay, next one, Charita. Charita. So what is the botanical family involved in Charita? Sphaerotia, Charita. So what parts involved in Charita? Whole, Olen and Xanthanos. So what uses of medicinal use in Charita? Skin diseases and burning sensation and fever. Okay, next one, Google. Google. So what's the botanical family in Google? Burcheraceae. So other name is the botanical in Google Comnifera vegetae. So the what parts used main constituents in Google gum resin and Google estronies. So the what medicinal uses in Google rheumatoid in arthritis, paralysis and laxative. Next plant, Gudamar. What is the botanical family in Geminima in Sylvestra is the other botanical name, and which family is a Judamar Sclapidaceae? See, okay. What parts used in constituents in Judamar? Leaves and gymnosides. What uses of medicinal use involved in Judamar? Diabetes and asthma. So next plant Gulachi in geology. What botanical family involved in Julachi and geology? Tinospora and Quadrophila is the other name. Which family involved in Gluchi and geology? Menispermsia. Okay. So what parts used main constituents in Gulachi and geology? Stem distillates. Stem deterpenius. Okay, what uses of the medicinal use in Gulachian and Gilolia? And gout, pile and general debility and fever and jaundice. Okay, so this is called as a main importance in pharmacognosy plants and uses. I think it's very helpful in your examination, all pharmacy examinations. And please like, share, subscribe in Qbite Pharmacy Study Circle channel. And thank you so much.